Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see all your password connected to this PC. So if you forgot your password or you want to remember some password from your PC has connected long before, you can find out how. So first of all, go on to search menu and search for PowerShell. And then right click and run as administrator. Click yes, and then copy the command prompt file. I have added on the description, so just copy and paste it and then click enter. That way will show you this is the password I'm connected to, and all the devices that's been connected to this PC will come up here, and the password. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.